Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to try to give a really quick update on my husband. And for those of you who are new, my husband is in the hospital. He's critically ill. 2 videos back starts the story, and I have this and one other video with updates, so it's easy to find the whole story. So my husband was doing really well this time, and his legs look fantastic. He has ankles again. The swelling is way, way, way down. Then last night happened, and unfortunately, it put us into a little bit of a setback. They lowered the head of his bed, and he can't have the head of his bed lowered. And it's not their fault, because if he was a normal person, anybody can lay down. And it just shows how fragile he is at this moment, that they just had to lie him down, and he coded again. So they were able to bring him back again, but this time it was a little bit more serious, and he ended up on life support. Today they did all sorts of brain tests and heart scans, and they did all these tests today. And first of all, he's still with us. No brain damage at all from the code. He's responding to us. He can't talk because he's on life support, and they have him super sedated. But he does hear everything we're saying, and he responds by squeezing hands and shaking his head no. He doesn't exactly like the ventilator. So we had a lot of positive thing, like his labs came back good. His everything is good except for his heart. And they're going to put a pacemaker into him and a defibrillator. And I was really, really happy. Somebody responded to me and said their husband had the exact same thing, same diagnosis and everything. My husband has cardiomyopathy. And the same thing happened to them 10 years ago. And she got her husband the AED, the same pacemaker that they want to give my husband. And that was 10 years ago, and he's still going. So that really gave me a lot of hope that my husband's going to be around in 10 years. Can't even wish it, because it's been a really sucky night. So again, that's the most I could say, is they're going to start weaning him, hopefully, from the ventilator tomorrow, and see how he does. Hopefully they will not rush him out of the ICU like they did the last time he did this, which was only a couple of days ago, even though it seems like it was weeks ago. He coded a couple of days ago, too, about 4 days ago, 5 days ago. So it's been crazy. Needless to say, I'm shot, brain on autopilot. To a couple of my friends who've been yelling at me that I haven't been eating, I was able to eat a half a can of SpaghettiOs tonight, which is better than not eating at all. That's about it. Hopefully I'm going to sleep tonight. One ear on my phone, but hopefully. And then we'll get back to the hospital at 6:30 in the morning, like every day. So I will see you guys in my next video. That was my update. Take care. Bye-bye.